Define your wins. That's it. You could stop the video right here, but let me explain why this idea changed everything for me. I scroll a lot, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and all I see these amazing engineers doing incredible things. They are building jaw-dropping projects, landing gigs at top companies, or even launching their own startups. Meanwhile, for me, just opening my VC code can feel like climbing a mountain. I've had this love-hate relationship with programming. I want to be the best, the absolute best, but I cannot seem to put it in the actual work. Big dreams, zero work ethic, it is a toxic cycle. Then I stumbled across this one talk that flipped the script for me. I know what you are thinking. Oh great, another lecture about routines, habits, streaks. Trust me, I've heard that all before too. But here's the thing, beneath all the productivity buzzwords, we forget something simple. We are human. And as humans, we thrive on positive reinforcement. We need those small wins to keep us going. No one else is going to pat us on the back, so we need to do it for ourselves. That's when I started this life-changing practice. Define my wins. Here's how it works. Every time I sit down to code, I start by asking myself, what is the smallest goal I can achieve right now? For example, let's say I have 30 minutes. My win could be as simple as making an API return, hello world. And when I check that off my to-do list, I get this rush, a dopamine hit. Suddenly, I'm excited for the next win. Programming stops feeling like a grind and starts feeling rewarding. Each little win keeps me focused and gives me a clear sense of direction. That tiny boost of dopamine isn't just motivation, it is proof that I'm moving forward. It is funny when you think about it. Social media does the same thing. Every scroll gives you a guaranteed win. But what if you could redirect that energy into coding wins instead? So here's the deal. Define your wins, no matter how small. Celebrate them and know that every time you hit a milestone, no matter how tiny, I'm here cheering for you. Thanks for hanging out. Keep coding, keep winning, and I'll see you in the next video.